Hi everyone, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina, and you guys, I am in a different location. I recently moved, which is why you guys haven't been seeing many videos from me, but I'm so happy to be recording again and giving you guys content again. I'm still fixing my dollhouse, which is why I'm on my bed today. Kind of like a throwback because my first video was on my bed. So yeah, so I don't want that to stop me from showing you guys some cute dolls. So today we're going to be looking at the Fresh Positively Perfect, and this is their Dreamers collection, and this is a new 18-inch doll, and her name is Willow, and she's really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and read in the back. She's created by Dr. Lisa from Fresh Dolls. Right there, you've seen a picture, and then in the back it says, "We're all about what we can do to make this world a better place." And it says, well, at the top it says, "We're dreamers." And then it also says, "Together we can make it come true." So each doll has their story in the back. So let's read the story for Willow. So Willow is always outdoors. She likes hiking and camping and thinks the greatest job ever would to be to travel the world in search of new kinds of tasty plants so no one will ever be hungry. That is so sweet, and I love that. And it says everyone needs dreams, and I think it's so cute. And then in the bottom it shows a little story about the dolls and Dr. Lisa, and it's really nice, and like what made her want to create this line. And it's so cute, and I absolutely love this, and I love how pretty she looks. With 18-inch dolls, I love 18-inch dolls that don't have the eye blinking. That's just a personal choice for me. Yeah, because I never really cared for those type of 18-inch dolls. Every 18-inch doll I've ever had always have these inset eyes that don't blink. So that's just what I like. And I love her hair is so pretty, and I can't wait to feel it because it says that it's premium hair. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at Willow. While I open this doll, I wanted to ask you all a question. So I recently got really into crocheting, and I would love to crochet some 18-inch doll clothes, and I really am inspired to do that now that I have this doll. So I want to know in the comments down below if you guys would love that, and if you guys will want that, let me know in the comments that you would love to see a 18-inch doll crochet tutorials, because I could do multiples of them. So let me know in the comments down below what you all think about that, and we can do that if a lot of you guys want to do that. So this is Willow out of the packaging, and she feels so good and soft. She has a lot of cotton in her body. We'll get a closer look at her body after we see the outside of her. So she has these beautiful brown eyes. So pretty. She has these 4 ringlets, 2 on each side. She has rooted hair, which is really nice. We're gonna get a closer look at that hair. She's wearing a bandana that has the classic bandana pattern on there. Super cute, and it goes around the back like a headband. Super cute. This hair feels soft. I can't wait to get a closer look. So then she's also wearing this shirt that has a little bit of ruffle fringe on the sleeves, and then in the front, and it says "You Grow Girl." So it says "You Grow Girl" because she loves plants, and also it's very positive and giving great positivity to girls, and I absolutely love that. She's wearing some distressed jeans, which are really nice, and it goes all the way up to the top of her waist. Super cute, and I absolutely love that. And then this is her feet at the bottom, and this is how it looks. Super cute. This is how it looks up close. I paid around $30 for her. If I'm able to find her, I will link her in the description box down below. I love her face screen. It's so pretty, and her eyebrows are so cute, and I love her eyes, and she has lashes as well. Yeah, does she have lashes? No, these are printed on lashes, so they're printed on. Super cute, and I really love her face. I think she's very pretty. I love how her lips are full, and it's super cute, and it complements her, and she has this beautiful color hair. When I saw her in the store, I was immediately drawn to her. I thought she was so pretty. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at her hair. Okay, so her hair is very full and rooted. As you can see, there's a little bit of space between each rooting, but sometimes that's normal for the dolls to have that. But the hair feels really soft because I felt 18-inch doll hair that was pretty hard to comb through. Some 18-inch doll hair is wigs, so I love that this is rooted hair, because honestly I prefer rooted hair on 18-inch dolls because I love to style the hair to post them on Instagram, and sometimes the hair is the reason why I don't post 18-inch dolls on my Instagram, because I love dolls that I can do their hair. So even as a little girl, I used to love that. So I feel like for a little girl, this would be really cute as far as the aspect of hair play, because I feel like that's really important with dolls. And when you're limited to a wig for dolls, it's kind of hard, in my opinion. That's just my opinion, of course. But you know, I absolutely love it. She has a full head of hair. The only thing is the rooting, which most 18-inch dolls has this rooting where there is a little gap in between each one, like a little tiny gap of hair. But that's how it is with baby dolls and things like that as well. So that doesn't bother me too much. And this hair feels really nice. I feel like if I was to take a spray bottle with water, that it would take the hair really, really good. So also, I love the new Fresh Doll hair, because the premium hair, you're supposed to be able to wash it and style it. And on the packaging, it's right here that you can wash, and it's stylable hair. You could braid it, twist it, and roll it. So I really would like to give her Bantu knots. So I think that's really cute. So that also caught me when I was in the store to buy her, because I thought, wow, like a 18-inch doll that I can do all this to the hair and style it and things like that. And like I told you guys, I'm really into crochet right now, and I've been so obsessed with 18-inch doll clothes, looking at it online and on Pinterest. And then also I wanted to show you guys how her body is. She also has this bag right here, and it says Stay Wild, and it has little flowers on it. Super cute. And it's a crossbody bag. It's attached right here, but you can take it off. It's like a little tag right there, and then you can take it off right here. This is it from the front, and it has an opening on the inside, and it doesn't close with a Velcro, so you just could put things in there, which is really cute. I love how 18-inch doll stuff is very detailed and things like that. I wish they would do that for Barbie dolls and for the 12-inch dolls, but I really do love that. I love 18-inch doll accessories. She also comes with this really cute water bottle, which is really cute, and it's a nice thick plastic, and it's super cute. I wonder if you take it off. No, so it's stationary, you can't open it up, but it's super cute and I love it. The accessories that also come with Willow as well, she also comes with these sandals, which feels like foam with a pleather material strap going across the front as her sandals. She also comes with some stickers, which are really cute, which is pretty much plant life, and she has like cute plants right here, and it says Stay Wild, super cute. And then it says Plant Lady, really cute right here, and I love that. I think that is so cute. So I also bought 2 packs of clothes to see if it fits her. So I got this My Life as set right here, and which is really cute. And then this is how it looks in the back. I think it's really cute. I love unicorns. One thing about me, I love unicorns with dolls. I do like the My Life as dolls as well. I would like to get one day. I'm just trying to find the perfect one for me, because when I get 18-inch dolls, they have to really like come to me as very pretty and striking, because I'm very picky with dolls, as I've told you guys before. So you know, when I do find one that I do like, I will be purchasing that. But I do love this as well. And then I also got from Target the Our Generation pajama set. I love pajamas for the dolls, and the thing is, I make their regular clothes a lot. I sew it and things like that, but as far as pajamas, I love buying pajamas for my dolls. And so right here, I thought this was so cute. This is the Our Generation Pajamarama, which is really cute, and this is how it looks in the back. And I do like these 18-inch dolls as well, and I would love to get one of these one day. So also, this is how it looks, the picture, so you get a closer look. We're gonna try it on her to see if it'll fit. Let's go ahead and get a closer look at her body so we can go ahead and try the outfits on her. So this is the body details of Willow. So she's mostly plush. So the only thing that I think about this doll is that right here where the shoulders are and the legs, I feel like the actual plastic should have went up to the thigh and the upper arm, just like they do for these dolls. And then she could do more posing, because I mean, you could pose her with this, but you'll have to lean her against something, or you'll have to prop her against something for her to hold her hand up. And if she was to have a joint right here that goes up like this, she could keep her arm up and things like that. So that's the only thing that I have to say that's kind of like I wish they would have done. But I do like how they structured this doll. I think it's really nice, but all I wish was that the leg had a joint and the arm had a joint as well. So she's very much more plushy than anything, but she does still feel good, and I do really like her, and I'm happy with her. It's just, I just wish that it did that. So let's go ahead and try on some outfits on her. So this is her in the first outfit. I think it's so cute. So let's look at the slippers first. super adorable. So they fit her perfectly. This is it in the back, and then these are the pants in the back. I think they made the body more plush because to dress her was so easy. This was the easiest dressing I've ever done an 18-inch doll, to be honest with you all. And I love the stars on here, and also the pink buttons, the pink details, and these are actual working buttons. It's not a Velcro, which I think is really cute. And then the pants scrunch all the way around to fit her body. Very, very good, and I absolutely love it. It looks really cute on her, and I really do like it. And it also comes with this unicorn pillow, which is really cute. I just see myself taking really cute pictures of her. I think she's really pretty, and I love it. It's the unicorn with the lashes, which I think is really cute in real life, and I do love the unicorn aspect, and it's very detailed, and I love that. So also, I love how she can fit 18-inch doll clothes. So I love how different brands, you can go between them and try on different clothes on her, and I think it's wonderful. You know, I'm gonna see if Fresh Squad has, or Fresh Dolls has, more fashions for these dolls, and see if I can try some other 18-inch doll fashions like Illy Forever and things like that. I think that would be really cute as well. So I'm going to go ahead and try on this Our Generation outfit on her next. So let's see how this looks on her. You guys, so this is Willow with the Our Generation outfit, and I did change her hair. I gave her some bantu knots. So before I show the outfit, I do want to show you what I was talking about when I say that the hair is kind of sparse in the back. So in the back, this is how it looks. It did take out some plugs. The hair that came out was about this much, and I know that dolls have shedding, but I just wish the hair was a little full because it is promoting hair play. So I do wish it had a little more plugs in the middle. That's the only thing, but you know, other than that, the outfit fits really cute. I wish, you know, like I said, it had a joint here, so it'll be more shoulder than cotton and stuffing, but it's really cute, and it's easy to dress this doll. So I think that's what they were aiming for as far as the clothes, was with the plushie. To fit the clothes, all you have to do is turn it back like this, go like this. Like sometimes if you have 18-inch dolls, you'll know what I'm talking about. To put the outfits on, sometimes you have to like squeeze it around the arms and things like that. It's good that they can share clothes, you know, and I do like that. And it has a little Our Generation in the corner. It also comes with this little doll that is so cute. It's a plushie type doll, really, really cute, and I like that. And I do love it. And this is how it looks in the back. Really cute. I do love that. And then this is how the shoes look on her, the Our Generation shoes. Really cute with little bunnies on it. I think that is so adorable, and I absolutely love this doll. I think she's really pretty. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of this doll. If you guys ever bought any of the new 18-inch dolls from Fresh Dolls, and let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite 18-inch doll, and I'll check it out. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already do, at Bougie Doll Life, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.